So view subscriber. In this one now, we have Foota hype talk some things about Jada Kingdom. Yeah man, me know you don't want to miss it. Make we get into it. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy if you're new and make we jump in the video.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So view subscriber. So basically, Foota hype talk about Jada Kingdom hairstyle upon Reagge Sumfest. So see me? The entertainer say yo, him not like we look on the back of things. So I go play the video, or at least make you hear the audio, and make you hear Foota hype say. You see me? But remember, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna get right into it.
Let me speed up this now. So, Jada now. Jada look good. Me like Jada outfit. It keep you wanting to see more. I want to tell you. You see a makeup where you have on the stage, it make you look like somebody thumping your face over your cheek. Me not like your makeup. It look like it's a new style of makeup, but me not like it. Me not like the makeup. The makeup kind, I don't know if you do your lip or what, but your lip look different. And the makeup, I give a vibe like somebody punch you. You see me? Me never like that. Me love the piece of skirt, you know, but me not like the makeup. People may have to just keep it real. Remember, I say from me I get girl till now I be a hot girl me know when something look right. You see the ear around there so, and the baby ear them look good. You see the piece of bang we come right after the front? Me no know where that. Me no know how the little piece of bang we come over the forehead. We have one line here so. It look like the rest of the ear do, and then just each one piece of line here so. Me not like it. Me not like it. Jada, remember you hot, good looking girl. That piece of bang there, where up on the front, where one line go through, yes, look thin like a one layer of falvier. The baby ear them and everything else alright, but that piece that it annoy me your whole performance. That piece of front piece that will go over your forehead. Yo, mother hold a hairdresser and put her finger them in a hot aisle. Me not like that. Me, I can ear overall alright, but you see the piece up her front here, so we come down on her forehead right here, so, and it have one line go over here, so, it look like this on a done do. To me, it look like this on a done do. See? One little layer them put and it look thin. People wanna talk the truth, no man. Wanna talk the truth, no man. Wanna go like say me not make no sense. I don't know this me a just a critique and me a the critique. So the makeup artist fi give you back your money because when the light hit your face and you have some purple color like the makeup come on your cheekbone with a little purple thing. It make me there think if you get thump in the eye and so, you use something to cover it. That's how it look when the light hit it. Your lip, me don't know if I the lip glass, but your lip them look fatter and them look bulge out. Me don't know if I the lipstick. But something never go on. You understand? Me don't know. Me don't know. So a couple things well not go alright. Jada, couple things well not go alright. The ear, the makeup, and the blood clot lip, me don't know what go on.
So as you can hear, Foota hype have issues with Jada Kingdom makeup. Yeah man, me know say enough for uno. I gotta say yo, how that even concern Foota hype or does his opinion even matter? You see me know say enough for uno say that. But Foota hype say he's a critic right now. He basically a judge everybody who was at Sumfest, the performance, their clothing line, their makeup, as you can hear. You see me? But otherwise, I think Jada Kingdom performed well. And our outfit was alright. Yeah, to me, it was alright. To be honest. You see me, need with the mids or makeup. But Foota hype say, oh, it seems like somebody thump her in she eye. And she try to use the makeup to cover it up on thing. You see me? But at the end of the day, if you're a subscriber, that's a film opinion. As me have nothing to say about that. And even if I did have something to say, basically, my opinion doesn't even matter. You see me? The female come out, she perform, she do what she have to do, she do what she have to do, and then she shub, she leave after, you see me? So my opinion doesn't matter, and as me say, Foota hype a critique everybody. So I really don't know why anyways. But when you came and think about that, that's only my honest opinion on it. Jada Kingdom was alright to me, her performance, she performed well. Her outfit was alright, doesn't me? But when make me know think about that. That's only my opinion. That's Foota hype's opinion. You see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. I'm just making you hear what Foota hype have to say about Jada Kingdom. You see me? So remember, run up the channel to 1000. 4K Shala Energy. Catch you now in our next one.